आज के इस क्लास में हम लोग देखेंगे पोलैरिटी इन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड। तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं पोलैरिटी का मीनिंग क्या है। किसी भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में चार्ज का डेवलपमेंट को हम लोग पोलैरिटी कहते हैं। और पोलैरिटी चार अलग अलग तरीके से डेवलप करता है। पहला है इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट, दूसरा है इलेक्ट्रोमैरिक इफेक्ट और थर्ड है रेजोनेंस या मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट। रेजोनेंस और मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट। चौथा है हाइपर कंजुगेशन। चार अलग अलग मेथड हैं जिसका यूज़ करके पोलैरिटी डेवलप करता है किसी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में। अब इसमें हम लोग बात करेंगे पहले टॉपिक इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट। इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट में क्या होता है, सिग्मा बॉन्ड का इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्प्लेस करता है और उसके कारण पोलैरिटी जनरेट होता है। दैट इज कॉल्ड इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट। Displacement of sigma bonded electron causing polarity, said to be as inductive effect and represented by the symbol I. Now it is further classified into two categories: minus I effect and plus I effect. Now first of all we'll study what is minus I effect and what is plus I effect. When the sigma electron moving away from the carbon atom, due to which polarity is generated, is called minus I effect. यहाँ X जो है इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम या इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप कहलाता है। X इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव या विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप होने के कारण इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ खींच रहा है, पार्शियल नेगेटिव चार्ज, और कार्बन पर पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज। तो ये जो पोलैरिटी डेवलप किया इसी को माइनस आई इफेक्ट के नाम से जानते हैं। यहाँ पर X अगर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम हो तो फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन या आयोडीन ले सकते हैं। और अगर X इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप हो तो इसमें वो सारे फंक्शनल ग्रुप आते हैं जिनमें मल्टीपल बॉन्ड होता है, जैसे NO2, CHO, C double bond O, OH, all the functional group which consist of multiple bond are considered as electron withdrawing group and causing minus I effect. Similarly, in case of plus I effect, when carbon is attached with electron donating group, Y is considered as electron donating group EDG, and these are the groups which have maximum electron density, may be negatively charged ion, metal, and the molecules which consist unshared pair of electron. EDG stands for electron donating group. In plus I effect, the displacement of sigma electron takes place towards carbon. In this condition, carbon acquire partial negative and the electron donating group partial positive. The migration of sigma bond electron takes place towards carbon, and it is said to be as plus I effect. There are some groups which will influence plus I effect much more. Those groups you can see over here: CH3 whole thrice C greater than CH3 whole twice CH greater than CH3 CH2 greater than CH3 followed by deuterium and protium. So all these groups are electron donating group, but the magnitude is maximum in this. It is tert butyl group, tertiary butyl group. So both the effect is covered. Now we observe what are the characteristics. It causing permanent polarity. Permanent polarity, which means once the polarity develops, it cannot be reversed. With the increase in carbon chain, polarity decreases. Polarity decreases. That is, the magnitude of minus I and plus I effect get decreases. For example, if we take this example, this is first one, second carbon, third carbon, partial negative, partial positive, partial 2 positive, partial 3 positive, and this is the migration of electron. The magnitude of minus I will be maximum at C1 carbon, max minus I, and it is very minimum in C3 carbon atom, minimum at C3 carbon atom. So the magnitude of minus I effect is maximum at C1 carbon and minimum at C3 carbon. Complete displacement of sigma electron is not taking place, and that is why the partial negative and positive charge arise. When the electron migrate towards more electronegative atom, then the electron cloud will be distributed like this. This indicates that polarity get developed. The bulgy sign indicates maximum electron density towards strong electronegative atom or electron withdrawing group. This is before polarity, and this one is after the development of polarity. And the nature of electron donating group and withdrawing group also plays an important role to decide the magnitude of plus I and minus I effect. So this is the first part of polarity development, that is the inductive effect that we have already completed. In the next class we'll discuss about next effect, that is electromeric effect. That is electromeric effect. Goodbye.